10 Foods Rich in Selenium. Hello. Welcome to my channel and another health video. Have you ever considered selenium? It's not just a science term. It's selenium, a vital mineral your body needs to stay healthy, protect your cells, and energize you. You might lack this essential nutrient if you feel weak, tired, or have thyroid issues. In this video, we'll explore the importance of selenium to the body, the symptoms of selenium deficiency, its amazing health benefits, and find out which foods are packed with this essential nutrient. What is selenium? Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and reduces inflammation. Selenium supports various body functions, including the immune system by increasing the activity of white blood cells and enhancing thyroid function. Additionally, selenium helps heart health by preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Some studies show that selenium may help reduce the risk of certain cancers due to its role in repairing DNA and reducing oxidative damage. The daily requirement of selenium in adults 19 years and older is 55 micrograms daily, pregnant women 60 micrograms, and lactating women 70 micrograms daily. Selenium deficiency factors. Some drugs such as statins used to reduce cholesterol, antacids, and drugs used to treat acid reflux and stomach ulcers can cause selenium deficiency. Diseases such as digestive disorders, chronic kidney disease, HIV, AIDS, and other infections and inflammatory conditions can also lead to this deficiency. Selenium deficiency symptoms. Selenium deficiency can lead to a wide range of symptoms due to its vital role in various body functions. Common symptoms include muscle weakness and pain, fatigue, and mental fog, as selenium is essential for proper muscle and cognitive functions. Selenium deficiency can also compromise the immune response, making a person susceptible to various infections. Due to its role in thyroid hormone metabolism, low levels of selenium can exacerbate hypothyroidism and associated symptoms such as weight gain, hair loss, and mood disorders. If you experience these symptoms, talking to your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions is important. Now, we will review 10 nutritious foods that can compensate for the lack of selenium in your diet. First, let's talk about Brazil nuts, among the best selenium sources. When it comes to selenium, these little powerhouses play a key role. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide more than your daily selenium needs. In addition to increasing selenium intake, these nuts are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that support heart health. Be careful, consuming more than this amount can cause selenium toxicity and its complications. If you love seafood, you're in luck. Tuna, halibut, and sardines are not only delicious but also excellent sources of selenium. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart health benefits and anti-inflammatory properties. Including seafood in your diet can help support brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve cardiovascular health. Fish like tuna and halibut provide about 80% of your daily needs with a 3-ounce serving. Consuming fish at least 2 to 3 times a week, especially oily fish, will help maintain your overall health. They may be small, but they pack a punch regarding nutritional benefits. These seeds are rich in selenium and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. With 18.6 micrograms per ounce, sunflower seeds provide 34% of your daily requirement. Sprinkle them on bread and salads. In addition to adding great flavor, sunflower seeds offer numerous health benefits. Eggs are another versatile food that is great for selenium. In addition to being an excellent source of high-quality protein, eggs also provide essential vitamins such as B12 and D, which are necessary for energy production and bone health. Eggs provide 27% of your daily requirement with 15 micrograms per large egg. Eggs are also a good source of choline, which plays an important role in brain health by helping to produce acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter that supports memory and cognitive function. Additionally, choline is essential for liver function as it helps prevent fat buildup in the liver and promotes overall metabolic health. Starting the day with eggs can be a smart move to boost your muscles and bones. Chicken breast is another great option to increase selenium intake. Lean and protein-rich, chicken breast supports muscle growth and repair. It is also rich in essential nutrients such as B vitamins, including B6 and B12, which help with energy metabolism. Each 3-ounce serving of chicken breast can provide 40 to 45% of your daily needs. In addition, chicken breasts provide important minerals such as phosphorus for bone health and zinc to support the immune system. Often enjoyed only during festive seasons, turkey is rich in selenium. Each 3-ounce serving contains about 31 micrograms of selenium, providing 56% of the daily requirement. This lean meat contains tryptophan, which helps increase serotonin levels, improving mood and sleep quality. Enjoying turkey can be an enjoyable way to boost your mental and physical health. With their earthy aroma and delicate texture, mushrooms are nature's delicious treasures, turning any dish into a culinary masterpiece. Mushrooms, especially porcini and shiitake, contain good amounts of selenium. Each cup of mushrooms has 18.9 micrograms of selenium, providing about 34% of the daily requirement. Mushrooms stimulate the immune system by activating macrophages and natural killer cells due to their bioactive compounds like beta-glucans, polysaccharides, and antioxidants. Additionally, mushrooms are rich in antioxidants such as selenium and ergothioneine, which help protect immune cells from damage caused by free radicals. They are also a good source of vitamin D, which is vital for bone health. Oatmeal is not just for breakfast. This whole grain contains selenium and soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. 13 micrograms of oatmeal per cup provide 24% of your daily requirement. Oatmeal supports stable blood sugar levels, making it a great option for people with diabetes. The high fiber content of oatmeal also improves digestive health by preventing constipation and strengthening intestinal bacteria. Above, you can see a delicious recipe for oatmeal. Cottage cheese is a versatile delight that not only tempts your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with the treasure trove of essential nutrients, and is rich in selenium and protein. Each cup, 2% fat, has about 20 micrograms of selenium, which provides about 36% of your daily requirement. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. You can turn them into delicious meals by adding them to salads, smoothies, pizzas, breads, and lasagna. Avoid refined foods and choose whole grain bread and pasta instead of refined options. They're full of fiber and, you guessed it, selenium. One such whole grain is brown rice. Each cup of brown rice contains 19 micrograms of selenium, providing 34% of the daily requirement. The high fiber content of brown rice helps in digestion and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, making it an excellent option for weight management and diabetes control. Brown rice supports bone health, metabolic function, and immune system strength with essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium. Additionally, it contains antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, making it a nutritious and healthy choice for overall health. If you know other selenium-rich grains, leave a comment for information. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information.